Want to bring your floral paintings to life? Don't forget the greens. In this video, I'll show you 5 easy foliage strokes using just one brush. These strokes are perfect for beginners and super satisfying to paint. Let's start with the simplest one. Load your brush with green, then place it flat on the paper. Press, pull, and lift toward the tip to create a clean teardrop shape. You can vary the size just by adjusting your pressure. You can try turning the brush slightly to make the leaf taper more naturally. Now, let's try a mirrored double leaf. Great for fillers or framing flowers. Press the brush down on one side, curve outward, and lift. Then, repeat on the other side to form a symmetrical pair. This one's fun. A flowing vine with tiny leaves. Start with a thin curved line. Then, add quick mini leaf strokes along the sides. Vary the leaf size slightly to make the vine look more natural and less repetitive. Ready to go bold? Let's paint a tropical banana leaf. Start with a strong central stroke, then drag the brush outward in short pulls to make those chunky leaf ridges. Don't worry about being too neat, because the jagged strokes give it some character and make it feel tropical. Finally, let's paint a feathery fern. Start with a thin curved spine, then create overlapping side strokes that taper outward like feathers. Use just the tip or edge of the wedge brush to keep it delicate. Always remember to keep the strokes loose and light, because ferns are airy and elegant, not stiff. Which foliage stroke was your favorite? Tell us in the comments and we'd love to know what you use them for. If this video helped you grow your wedge brush skills, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned because we got more tutorials coming soon.